Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, coming at you every Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to leave a like and a comment. It helps the video out a ton. And click the bell notification so you know anytime that I go live. All right, today we have Mom's Sunday Meat Sauce. And I unfortunately have to apologize for the way this is shot. This was not one of my better shoots, but trust me, you don't really need to see most of the action to understand how to make this. Okay, in a Dutch oven, I have 2 cans of San Marzano tomatoes that I pureed up. These are the 28-ounce cans. You can find these in any large grocery store. To that, I added about a 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil. I added about 2 tablespoons of garlic. Of course, salt to taste, but again, careful with the salt because the pasta will be quite salty. A little bit of red pepper flakes, depending on how spicy you like your sauce. A 1/4 teaspoon to a teaspoon, as you can see there. I'm adding 3 to 4 cloves of garlic. And then after the meat got done cooking, I added a little bit of red wine to deglaze the pan a little bit, as you can kind of see the residue of that. And the meat was about 1.5 pounds of ground beef, but you could certainly do sausage or ground turkey, ground chicken, or a combination of any meats that you wish. You should also, at this point during the cooking process, have a large pot of water, salted and boiling, and you're going to want to boil 1 pound of the pasta of your choice. I went with penne with this. You could certainly do rigatoni, mascarpone, mafalda if you like. I wouldn't do any of the long noodles, though. Then we want to add a couple of teaspoons of Italian seasoning, oregano, basil, and then give this a second to all come together. And then, after you've given it a couple of minutes, time to add the meat back in. Give this a nice little stir around, and then give it about 4 or 5 minutes so the meat can get incorporated. And then after that, add your pasta and about 1/2 cup of heavy cream. And after all that, you should be looking at something a little bit like this. Kill the heat and let this get to know each other. Maybe about a minute, and now we want to heat our oven to about 350 degrees. Okay, so now you want to pour about half the pasta mix into our baking dish. And then I turned a Ziploc bag into a piping bag for our ricotta cheese. Just going to give a few dollops of it on top here. I'm kind of making this a little bit like a lasagna. So we're going to add our ricotta. And then we want to add our slices of mozzarella. Then you want to add some more ricotta. Kind of spread it around there. And if you're using your hands, make sure you wash them, and then wash them afterwards. And then we're going to add another layer of those mozzarella slices. And because I ran out, we're going to add 3 slices of provolone. Or hell, you can do 1 layer provolone, 1 layer mozzarella. But and then we're going to spread the rest of that pasta mix out. Then we want to top it all off with some freshly shredded mozzarella cheese, and then pop this into the oven for about 20 minutes. And after 20 minutes, you should be looking at something a little bit like this. So that's Mom's Sunday Pasta Bake. Done.